This is the high chair that I bought. It's wrapped in a plastic. I won't open it pa because I'm in a hurry. I have to go to work. So that's the high chair. The black one that you see at the back, that's the swing, the small, it's like a swing that you put inside the crib for the baby, part of the crib, yung black na yun. And this is the, look, parang it's a walker. Let's play with this one. With this one, with the toy. It's wrapped in plastic eh. I don't want to open it yet because David will not sit on that pa naman eh. Maybe after a month pa. Kaya I will just put that in plastic. That's the toy. It's like a car, pero it's not moving. It's just rocking like that. So like that. Yeah, that's the back. Okay. So this is the toy. There. And this one is the crib. It's a black crib. This is the brand name. It's inside the bag yet because we'll not be using that pa. Maybe next month. Look at the duyan. There's the duyan. Again, there is the play walker. There. This is the high chair. And this is the crib inside the bag. Okay? Now uploading to the YouTube. Gotta go.